So hello everybody. Today's class is on permutation combination WBJEE. This permutation combination is one of the most important chapter for the examination like WBJEE, and the type of sum for WBJEE and JEE main is totally different in permutation combination. So let's start that exactly the type which comes in WBJEE examination for permutation combination. So let's start. So first of all, first question is that how many numbers between 500 and 4000 can be formed with the digits 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 when the repetition is not allowed? Okay. So how to solve this sum? First of all, the how many numbers between 500 and 4000, it means this is a 3-digit number and this is a 4-digit number. So we have to take the two cases here. So what do we have? First, for 3-digit number, this can be done. So 500 to 999, this is a 3-digit number. We'll take it one case. So case 1, this is the thing. So this can be done in 2 ways. This can be done in 4 ways, and this can be done in 3 ways. Okay. So this is a 3-digit number can be done. So I think once again I am telling you why 2 ways, because 500 to 999 we have to take just only 5 and 6, these two numbers, this will be 5 and 6 like that, and this can be any number. Here this position can be filled up in any way, any numbers. Okay, that is why out of 5 and 6 one number is occupied here, then another 4 ways these numbers, and rest these are any 3 numbers which are left behind. Okay, so once this is a case number 1, and here this will be what, 2 into 4 into 3, total number of ways for the 3-digit numbers. And once again if I see for the 4-digit number for case 2, so this will be 4 ways, because for between 4000 this can be done by not 4 ways. So this can be done by, what are there here, the numbers are there. Here it is a 4 ways, here it no 4 ways, sorry, this is the 2 ways, because between 4000 this is 2 and 3 is there, starting with the 4, this is the lesser than 4000, just it will start with the, that is unit. So everybody, unit 10, 100,000. So 1000 digit will be containing only 2 and 3. So there are 2 ways, and this will be the, just this will be the 4 ways, same as this case. This will be the 3 ways, and this will be the 2 ways. So this can be done by 2 into 4 into 3 into 2. 2 into, this is 2 into 4 into 3 into 2. So total number of ways equal to what is coming? That is 2 into 4 into 3 plus 2 into 4 into 3 into 2. So total number is what is coming to be 72. So final answer is a B. So everybody, WBJEE question is not very hard, but it is something different from different type from the JEE main questions. Okay. So let's solve that type of questions which comes in WBJEE type of examinations. And this permutation combination is a really important chapter for the WBJEE, not only one sum, more than one sums are coming in WBJEE examination. So I am trying to cover some number of different types. Okay. Next, how many numbers between 1000 and 5000 can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? What can be done here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore between 1000 and 5000 it is a 4-digit number. So let's draw 4 digits, just 4 rooms are we are making, and between 1000 and 5000 this can be done by 1, 2, 3, 4, the any number. These are 4 ways, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, any one of the numbers. Okay. This can be done by rest 6 ways, and this can be done by 5 ways, this can be done by 4 ways. So final answer what is coming, everybody? So 4 into 6 into 5 into 4, what is coming? for 60 and 5 into 4, 20, it is coming to be 480. Just do the calculation. Next one more sum for the WBJEE examination. Number of words that can be formed with the letters of the word algebra so that all the vowels do not come together. What to be done, everybody? All the vowels do not come together. So we can do like this, all possible minus vowels come together, that is also possible. Okay, so all possible numbers, algebra, there are total 7. So this can be done by, let us separate vowels A, E, L, G, B, R. So all possible is 7 factorial by 2 factorial because 2A are repeated. 7 factorial by 2 factorial minus vowels will come together. So take this vowel as the single. Take these vowels as the single. So there are different number of letters or what? Different number of digits are, I can say letters are what? So this as a single letter. 1, 2, sorry. This is coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total number of different are 5, different entities are 5. So this can be done by factorial 5s and they can interchange between themselves in 3 factorial by 2 factorial. So everybody calculate of your own and you'll get the result. Just I am sending you, just answer key is with me. So I am giving the answer, but you must calculate in your home to get the proper result. It is important. So answer should be 2160. Okay, next question, number of different words that can be formed with the letters of the word mathematics. With the letters of the word mathematics so that the vowels occupy only even positions. So these positions of the vowels, that order of the letters, these type of questions are very important, everyone, in this type of examination. Okay, so let's solve this sum. What to be done? Mathematics. So there are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are total 11 number of letters are there. Total 11 number of letters are there. So let's make one room of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because if I give the 10 such line, it will just divide into 11 boxes. Okay, and what is question? Question is that so that the vowels occupy only the even places. So everybody, so if we just separate, these vowels are A, E, A, I. These are the vowels. 4 vowels. Let's see how many positions are there. Even positions are how many? 4 vowels. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are such 5 positions. Okay. So to arrange the vowels, we have 5 positions. So this can be done by 5C4. Why 5C4? Because we are making the team first. Let us make the team first. Then after making the team, then we'll rearrange. Okay. And this can be done by 4 factorial by 2 factorial. And rest consonants. Consonants can be arranged because there are T, T, M, M. 2 repetitions. So consonants can be arranged by 7 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Everybody, just calculation I am leaving on you. You just calculate and put the proper answer. Just answer key I have with me and I am putting the answer key for you. In this case, the answer will be the C option. Okay, let's do the next sum. Number of words that can be formed with the letters of the word engineer so that the relative order of the vowels do not change. Relative orders of the vowels do not change. So what can be done? The vowels are what? Let's see. Engineer. So vowels are E, 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 I. Okay, consonants are N, N, G, R. Okay, now relative vowels, relative order of the vowels and consonants do not change. It means what, everybody? Let's see. E, N, G, I, N, E, R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 places. Therefore, it means, everybody, relative order means what? It means vowel will occur in the places of first place, 4th place, 6th place, 7th place. All these 4 places there will be the vowels. Okay, and consonant will occupy the other rest places. This is called the relative position of the relative order of the vowels and consonants. Okay, so consonant occurred at what? 2nd place, 3rd place, 5th place, 8th place. So this can be done by 4 factorial by 3 factorial, because 4 factorial, because total 4 things out of which 3 are repeated. That is why 4 factorial by 3 factorial. Similarly for the consonant, for consonant there are total 4 things out of which 2 are repeated. So this can be done here, that is 4 factorial by 2 factorial. Sum is over, everybody. Everybody, sum is over. And once again I am telling you, just I am keeping the value with you and you get the calculation. It is not very hard. The answer is the 48 obviously, but you must calculate. Because for WBJEE examination, for any examination, remember one thing, everybody, you have to finish the sum. Because after some days there will be the examination, be ready to finish the sum. Okay, next sum. Next question, everybody, the number of words can be found from the letters of the word violent, so that the vowels occupy only the odd places. Vowels occupy only the odd places. Okay, so what can be done? Violent, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are total 7 letters. So we can say here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there are total 7 letters, out of which odd places are 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. There are odd places, and vowels are I, O, E. So this can be done by number of 4 different things taking 3 at a time. Everyone remember this, number of 4 different things taking 3 at a time. Okay, at a time 3. It doesn't mean that vowel will occupy all the places. No, out of 4 places, just 3 places. Therefore, we can write this as 4p3. 4p3. And for consonants, there are such 4 consonants, they will occupy the total places. Once again, I am leaving the answer to you. You must complete the answer in your home. Okay, I am just giving the right answer. Next, the number of ways in which the candidates C1, C2, C3, ... C8 can be ranked such that C1 is always above C8. C1 is always above C8. So everyone, what to be done? All possible minus C1 and C2 are together. Okay, let's do one thing. All possible minus C1 and C2 are together. Therefore, all possible is without restriction is this. No, just a minute. There are how many? 8. There are 8, and C1 is always above. So everybody, let's do one thing. In this way also we can solve the sum. In the shortest possible way we can solve the sum. What to be done? We can do like this, that there are total 8. This can be done by 8 factorials, out of which half of the way is C1 is before, C1 is above C8, and half of the way is C8 is above C1. It is not possible that C1 is overlapping on C8. It is not possible. Therefore, half of the way is C1 is above C8 and half of the way C8 is above C1. So this can be done by 8 factorial by 2 factorial. If it would have been 3 cases that they are in order, then we could divide by 3 factorial, not 3. That is why in this case, remember, we could divide by 2, but actually instead of 2, the mathematical meaning will be divided by 2 factorial. Okay, okay everyone, once again I am explaining you. Just remember one thing, C1 to C8, one half of total cases is 8 factorial, out of which half cases is C1 is above C8, half cases is C8 is above C1. So just divided by 2, and I am giving the answer with you. You just complete the sum. I am giving the just key answer. Next, the number of ways in which the candidates A1, A2, A3, ... A10 can be ranked such that A1 and A10 are never together. The number of ways in which, understand this, A1 to A10 can be ranked such that A1 and A10 are never together. Next to each other, it means next to each other means together. What can be done, everybody, here? So all possible minus they are together. Sum is done. All possible. This can be done by 10 factorial minus they are together. Minus they are together means let A1 and A10 is one single unit. So total number of units is what? 9. So this can be done by 9 factorial, but they can be interchanged between themselves in 2 factorial. Okay, sum is over. Now this is coming what? If we take 9 common, so 10 minus 2 into 8. So sum is over. 8 factorial into 8 into 9 factorial. So A is the right option. This type of sums, when calculation is very big, this type of answer will be given so that you can answer. Otherwise, sometimes you have to calculate full, everybody. Be ready for that. Okay, I am going to the next sum. In how many ways 5 boys and 5 girls can be seated along a line so that they are alternate? Everybody remember one thing. Under this case, there are 2 type of questions. One may be they are not together. One may be they are alternate. Alternate means there should not be any gap in between. Once again, alternate, here it is given. This word is very important. In this type of sum, there are 2 type of question. They are not together or they are alternate. Alternate means what, everybody? Alternate, they are alternate. They are alternate means there should not be any gap between them in alternate places. Okay, so what to be done here? What to be done? There are, first of all, if I keep fix the boys, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Okay, so girls can be placed as G1, G2, G3, G4, G5. So this can be done what? This boys can be fixed by 5 factorial. Similarly, girls also can be fixed by 5 factorial. You understand one thing, everybody? There is a particular case here. Remember, there is a particular case here. So we can write this here. First of all, 5 factorial into 5 factorial. Okay, and boy and girl's position can be changed into 2. But if the question would have been they are not together, then after fixing the boys, the girls can be placed in G1. Girls can be placed in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of which any 5 position. If the question would have been instead of alternate, if it have been not together. But here the question is alternate. So final answer is 2 into 5 factorial into 5 factorial. Direct the answer is given here in terms of factorial. So I am answering. Okay, remember the difference here. Next, in how many ways that 6 boys and 5 girls can be arranged in a line so that they are alternate, same as this. Here it is not given that they are not together. यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है they are alternate. So alternate means there should not be any gap in the alternate positions. So since the number of boys are more, so let us fix the boys. Therefore this can be done by 6 factorial, and within the suppose B1, B2, B3, boy number 3, boy number 4, boy number 5, and in between there are 5 space. So girls can be placed in this 5, this is the boy number 6. Boy number 6, this can be done by 6 factorial, and in between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we can write this as 5 factorial. Okay, everybody, let us move. Let us do the next question. So what is coming? 6 factorial into 5 factorial. So answer is coming to me. In this case, it has been the printing mistake, I think. So there are 2 cases they have given the same. It has been the printing mistake. So let us just put it the option number A. Next question. 4 points out of 11 points in a planar collinear. Find a number of different triangles can be formed by joining them. Everyone, this type of sums are very frequent in this examination, WBJEE examination. So remember one thing, we can solve it in 1-2 lines, but there is some calculation. There should be some calculation. So what can be done? Total number of triangles, that is 11 C3, out of which 4 are collinear, 4 being the collinear. If all are different, then we could get 11 C3 number of triangles, but 4 being the collinear, we are losing how many? 4 C3. So 11 C3 minus 4 C3, I am leaving the answer to you, but you must calculate to finish the sum. I am giving the key answer. Okay, next question. Number of rectangles in a chessboard which are not square. So chessboard related sums are very important even in JEE Advanced also. We'll do the separate, we'll do the later, I'll take the classes on all these things for the JEE Advanced, because let's WBJEE should finish. So remember one thing, so total number of rectangles, everyone, if we draw the chessboard, so there are 8, okay, there are 64 small squares, unit square. It means there are 9 lines, 9 vertical line. Out of 9 vertical line, if we select any 2, so we are getting the vertical 2 lines, and out of 9 horizontal line, if we select any 2, we are getting rectangles. But remember one thing, in case of square, if we take the 1 into 1, that is, if we take the 1 into 1 unit, so it is coming what? 8 square. If we take 2 into 2 unit, this is 7 square. That is, if we take 3 into 3, that is 6 square, like that. That is 5 square. And if we take the big square, the board itself, this is the 1 square, that is coming 204. So final answer is what? That which are not square. Total rectangle which are not square. Within rectangle there are square also, but total number of rectangles which are not square. So we can write this as 9C2 into 9C2 minus 204. Once again I am advising you, 9C2, it means what? 9 into 9 minus 1 by 2. Okay? But you must calculate. You must calculate it ready. Answer is the 1092. I am giving the answer, but you must calculate. Number of proper factors of 2400. What to do? Proper factor means what? Which are not itself, which are not 1. So total number of factors, what to be done here? What to do everybody? Total number of factors 2400. So 100 is 5 square into 2 square, and 24 is 8 into 3, 2 cube into 3. So thinking this in mind, we can write this as 2 to the power 5 into 5 square into 3. So total number of factors, we can take 1 number of 2, we can take 2 number of 2, we can take 3 number of 2, we can take 4 number of 2 key while calculating the factor. We can take 5 number of 2, we may not take 2. In factor calculation, it may so we have happened everybody that 2 is not there. So 5 plus 1. Similarly, while calculating the factor related to 5, we can take acta 5, we can take 2 5, we may not take 5. So we can write this as 2 plus 1. Similarly, we can take 1 number of 3, we may not take the 3, and total number of factors we got, there is a may not. May not take means what? 1. 1 is the factor. Okay, so minus koro, and total number of factors itself, it means 2400. So but we need the proper factor, so minus 1. This is the final answer. Ready? So you must calculate 5 plus 1, 6 into 3 into 2 minus 2. So answer is coming to be 34. So here it is a 34. Okay, let's go to the next sum. Total number of ways in which the 6 number of plus and 4 number of minus sign at a sign. This is the printing mistake from ourselves. Out of bar continuously I am telling not to miss the print. So this is the sign, this is the sign, it will be SIGN sign. Okay, can be arranged in a line such that no two negative sign occur together. So let us fix the positive sign first. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 positive sign. Okay, in between and outside, because negative signs are not together, because all are to similar positive sign. All positive signs are similar positive sign. Like ऐसा बोला हुआ है that this positive sign is red, that positive sign is green. It is not given. All positive sign is same. So this can be done, or positive sign can be placed in one ways. Okay. Now in between and outside there are how many places? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Out of these 7 places, we can place any 4 negative sign, they are not together. So this can be done by 7C4. That is the final answer. What is the 7C4? Just to get out of calculation, this is coming 35. Everyone, remember one thing, sometimes calculate. Next sum. In how many ways a 9-digit number can be formed with the digit of the word, the digit of the number 22335588, so that the odd digit occupy the even places. Odd digit occupy the even places. So let's total number of digits are 9. Okay, so I am writing like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Total number of digits are 9. Now just see one thing, odd digit will occupy the even places. How many odd digits are there, everyone? 1 2 3 4. There are 4 odd digits and 5 even digits, and odd digit will occupy the even places. How many even places? 1 2 3 4. 4 even places, 4 odd digit. So this can be done by 4 factorial, but they are similar in two cases: 4 factorial into 2 factorial, 2 factorial, and rest there are 5 odd digits. For there are 5 odd places, 5 even digits. So this can be done by into 5 factorial, factorial 2 factorial 3. So this can be done. If you are ready, you calculate of your own and get the result. Next, one more sum. I am giving the answer, but remember you have to finalize the calculation. And one more thing, one very particular one type of sums which are regularly coming in this type of examinations, in this total number of positive integral solution of x plus y plus z equal to 3. This is very important. So how to calculate this? Now just see one thing, I am calculating, and then also I will tell you the shortest possible way. So first of all, the coefficient of x to the power n, okay, coefficient of x to the power n in, just a minute, coefficient of x to the power n in x plus x square plus x cube dot 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 whole cube. We have to calculate, okay, for getting x plus y plus z equal to n to get the number of positive solution. Now what is coming here? So if I take x common from here, if we take x common to get the binomial theorem as well as infinite GP series. Okay, so I can take x common from here, it is coming out as x cube. So we can write this like this, we can write in this way. Therefore coefficient of what is coming, x to the power n in x cube into 1 plus x square dot 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 whole cube. This is a by 1 minus r, this binomial theorem of negative index I am just taking here. So x to the power n minus 3. Therefore we can say coefficient of x to the power n minus 3 in a by 1 minus x, 1 by 1 minus x whole to the power 3, it means 1 minus x whole to the power minus 3. Okay, remember one thing, everybody, there is a very short calculation for this, so we don't have to go so much. Therefore coefficient of x to the power n minus 3 in this. How to calculate, everyone? The answer is coming n minus 1 c n minus 3 direct, that is n minus 1 c2. This is the final answer, where n equal to 6 and r equal to 3. Therefore we are getting 5c2. 5c2 means what? 5 into 5 minus 1 by 2. Answer is coming to be 10. Answer is coming to be 10 here. Okay, everybody. So in this respect I want to say you one thing. In this respect I want to say you one thing, everybody. Just remember this, that coefficient of x to the power r, coefficient of x to the power r in 1 minus x whole to the power minus n, this formula I have used. Okay, so n minus r plus 1 c r. Sum is over. Let's go to the next sum. If a set A containing 8 elements and set B containing 10 elements, the number of 1 function, set A containing 10 elements, set B containing 8 elements. So number of 1 function is what? NPR. Okay, set A containing n elements, set B containing r elements. So number of 1 function is, this is the proof of the, from here the permutation concept is coming, the 1 function. So this is coming to be PR, that is 10P8. This is the answer. Let's go to the next. A polygon has 44 diagonals, then total number of sides. So this is a question, everybody, not very hard. So this can be done by NC2, total number. Suppose if I draw like this, okay, so suppose there are 6 sides. 6 sides means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides means 6 vertices. Okay, if we join any 2 vertices, this is the total number of sides including the diagonals also. So this can be done by NC2 minus how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we just subtract the number of sides, that is in this case NC2 minus N equal to coming to be 44. Calculate, we are getting N into N minus 1 by 2 minus N equal to 44. Therefore N square minus 3N minus 88 equal to 0. So N minus 11 into N plus 8 equal to 0. We are getting N equal to 11. So the final answer is coming to be 11. In this way, let's go to the next sum. The number of ways in which one can post 5 letters in 7-letter boxes. Number of ways in which one can post 5 letters in 7-letter boxes. What to be done? So each letter can be posted in one of the 7 boxes. Okay? Each letter can be posted in one of the 7 boxes. First letter can be posted in 7 ways, 7 letter 7 ways, third letter 7 ways, fourth is 7 ways, fifth letter 7 ways. So 7 to the power 5. Okay everyone, next sum. Let's go to the next sum. Cricket championship, there are 36 matches. The number of times if each plays one match with each other. So what to do? Simple sum, NC2 equal to 36. So N into N minus 1 by 2 equal to 36. So we can write this as what? N into N minus 1 is 72. 72 means, what is 72? 72 ka matlab 9 into 8. So N equal to 9. Sum is over. Next, go to the next sum. There are 10 points in a plane. Out of these 6 are collinear, and the number of triangles formed by joining these points. So students, what can be done? There are 10 points, so this can be done by 10C3. If all are different, if all are not collinear, so we could get 10C3 number of triangles, but 6 being collinear, so how many would be lost? We have done such one sum previously. So this is coming 10C3 coming to be 120 and 6C3 is 20. The answer is to be 100. So everybody, there are some, if you practice too much, because WBJEE very less time is there. Okay, in short time you have to answer a lot of questions. So something you have to practice continuously. Okay, so some calculation ability is very important for this type of exam. The number of ways in which 35 apples can be distributed among the 3 boys so that each can have any number of apples. Everybody, this type of permutation combination based sums, that distribution based questions, distribution based topic I have done much before in one of my videos. So must see these videos. So in this case what? N minus, in this case it is coming to be, just a minute, N minus R plus 1 CR minus 1. Therefore 35 plus 3 minus 1 C3 minus 1, that is 37 C2. 37 C2 means what? 37 into 36 by 2 equal to 37 into 36 by 2. You must calculate to get the full answer, but remember, I am just telling you, I have the key answer with me. I am giving the key answer. Next question. The sum of all the odd divisors of 720. sum of all odd divisors of 720. So first of all, we have to do the LCM. So 720 can be written as 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 1. So odd numbers are 3 and 5. Therefore, we can say the sum of the odd divisors, we can write this here, the sum equal to 1 plus 3 square. For the 3 portion, for 5, 1 plus 5 to the power 1. So whatever may be the answer, you must check it. Okay, I have the answer with me, but must, whatever I am telling you, just some days are left, must calculate properly. Okay. Next. Out of 10 consonants, 4 vowels, the number of words that can be formed using 6 consonants and 3 vowels. Everybody, very easy sum. Sometimes this type of one-line sums will be given, and we have to solve this type of, we have to search that how many in short moments, short timing we can solve number of sums. Okay, that should be the target in WBJEE. So this can be done 6, 10C 6 because 10 consonant. Okay, and next, what is coming here? 10C 10 consonant, 4 vowels. Okay, so 4C 3, and total number of, they can be arranged in 9 factorial ways. Okay, so is there any answer for here? Yes, option number C is the right option. This is the permutation combination. If we can understand, we can solve in the shortest possible time and we can save the time. Okay, next. In how many ways a garland can be made exactly of the 10 flowers? Everybody, it is very easy. Half into 10 minus 1. So this is coming 9 factorial by 2. Sum is over. So D is the option. Circular permutation. That clockwise, anti-clockwise calculation. The number of ways in which 4 letters can be selected from the word DEGREE, degree. 4 letters can be selected. It is not the permutation. Selection is the combination. Okay, 4 letters can be selected. So let's see one thing here. So the total number of letters are E, 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 D, G, R. So there are some cases. Case number 1. Case number 1, we can take 3 number of E, E, E and 1 different. 3 E and 1 different, 1 distinct. So this can be done by 3C1. Okay. Next, because 4 letter can be selected. Next, if we take the case number 2, if it is E, E and 2 distinct, suppose 2 and 2 distinct, 2 different and 2 different, this can be done by 1 ways into 3C2. So actually 3C2. And case 3, all are distinct, all are different. So what to be done? This is 1 way, only 1 possibilities that all are distinct, because all distincts are just only one possibility. So total number of ways, so already total ways equal to what is coming to be here? That is 3 plus 3 plus 1, that is coming to be 7. So option number A is the right option. Next, let's go to the next. A lady given a dinner party for the 6 guests. Okay, the number of ways in which they may be selected from among the 10 friends. If 2 of the friends will not attend the party together, suppose the friends are P and Q, suppose 2 friends are P and Q. Now we need the total 6. So this can be done by A. Actually P and Q will not be together. There are 2 cases will be. One is it's selected from among the 10 if 2 friends will not attend the party together. Okay, so there are 3 cases. One is nobody will be present. Okay, Now there will be two cases, I think. Nobody will be present. It means we can write this as out of 10, just leave P and Q 2. So 6, 8C6, mane 8C2, 8C2. And second case is any one of them will be present. Obviously there will be the two cases. Any one of them will present. So this is coming to be out of 8 will take 5, out of 2 will take 1. Okay. So 8C2 means what? 8 into 7 by 2, this is coming to be 28, and this is coming to be 56, 8C1 into 8C5, 8C3 into 2. So this is coming to be a 140. So answer is the 140. In this way, very fast you have to solve the sum. So let's go to the next sum. The number of triangle that can be formed by 5 points in a line and 3 points on the parallel line. 5 points on a line and 3 points on the parallel line. So what can be done? If all are in the same, all at the different, all points are the different, we could get 8C3, out of which just 5 are on the same, so 5C3, and 3 are on another parallel point. So we have to, if all were different, then we could get, we have to subtract these two. Okay, that is the final answer. Now you calculate. Oh, direct given. Whenever direct is given, direct answer is given, so it is nothing like that. Okay, so the answer is like this, option number C. Next, the number of divisors of 9600 including 1 and 9600. So once again that previous problems. So first of all we have to LCM the 9600 as early as possible. 96 into 2 square 5 square. 96 means 48 into 2. Okay, 48 into 2 cube into 2 cube into what? 48. Yes, right. So we can write this as 9600. So we can write this as 2 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 1. Okay, so 6 into 8. So directly we have divided. Now number of divisors are 8, because we can take 2 one time, we can take 2 two times, we can take 2 thrice. So in this way we can take like this, we can take like this. So there are, we can take 7 number of 2, we may not take 2. Okay, we can take 1 number of 3, we may not take 3, we can take 2 number of 5, we may not take 5. So total answer is coming to be 48. Sum is done. Let's go to the next sum. The number of ways in which 7 persons be arranged in a round table if 2 particular persons may not sit together. 2 particular persons may not sit together. So first of all, without these 2 particular persons, let us arrange the round table. Suppose this is a round table. Okay, so suppose the persons are A, B, total number of persons 7, and just 2 will not sit together. So without 2, there's 5. Let us rearrange. So A, B, C, D, E. Okay, this can be done by 5 factorial minus 1. Now raise 2 person. For raise 2 person, how many places? 1, just 1, 2, everybody. For raise 2 person, how many places? Just see. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 places. They can take in 2 ways, then they are not together. So this can be done by 5p2 into 5p2. So final answer is coming what? 4 factorial into 5p2. So whatever answer, once again I am telling you, you finish the sum. For you it is very much important to complete the calculation. So answer, I am giving the answer, you must match with the answer. The exponent of 3 in factorial 100. So there is a formula. There is a formula of the box function. So this can be done by exponent of, everybody, exponent of p in factorial n. Exponent of p stands for prime number, in factorial is what? Box of n by p plus box of n by p square plus box of n by p to the power k, as long as n greater than equal to p to the power k. So thinking this in mind, we can, 3 is the prime number, therefore thinking this in mind, let us apply this concept. So the conceptual application is like this. It is coming here, that 100 by 3 plus 100 by 3 square 9 plus 100 by 3 cube 27 plus 100 by 3 to the power 4 81 plus after that, so it will be more than 100, so we will not take this. So 100 by 3 is what? 33 box function. 100 by 9, this is coming what? 11. Right, so 100 by 100 11 point something, because 9 12s are what? 9 11s are 99. So 100 by 27, that is 3, 100 by 81, that is 1. So 35 plus 11, 44 plus 4, 48 is the final answer. So final answer is coming to be 48. So in this way you have to calculate, everyone. Next question, how many four letters what can be formed with the letters of the word mathematics? So these type of questions also another important thing, everyone. Just this is some explanation some, but remember sometimes some long question will be given in WBJEE. So there are number of ways. First of all, if the calculation is very long, do some short question. Then in the second time when you'll see the sum, first time you complete all the short questions, and second time when again you will see the sum, do this type of question. I am explaining the sum. So in this case there are 4 letter words needed in the letters of the word mathematics. So what to be done? So in this case let us separate. So MMTT, repeated letters are MMTTA, and different is HEICS. So we'll divide into some cases. Case number 1 is here. Two are alike, 2 alike plus 2 alike. Example, MMTT, this type of word. In how many ways? We have 3 number of different alikes, out of which you have to, first of all, everybody, let us make a team. Let us make a team first. After that, we'll go to the permutation. Okay, it means first combination, then permutation. So what to be done here? MMTTA. So out of these 3, we need the 2 group. So 3C2, and this type of group is formed. Now we'll go to the permutation. So the permutation is, there are 4 factorials by 2 factorial, 2 factorial, done. Case 2, I am writing here. Case 2, there are 2 alike plus 2 distinct. Okay, what to be done? 2 alike means this type of word. Suppose MMTH, 2 alike, 2 distinct. So out of 3 alike group, we have to take 1 alike group. So 3C1 and 2 distinct. So one group is already taken. Suppose this group is already, suppose any one group is taken. So distinct letters are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 distinct letters. So this can be done by 7C2. Team formation is over. Now we have to do the permutation. This is the example. I have given it as the example. Now we have to do the permutation. The permutation is coming to be what? 4 factorial by 2 factorial. And case 3. Case 3, all are distinct. Okay. So in this case, how many distinct letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All are distinct. So directly we can do 8P4. So we are getting here 8P4. So if we add case 1, so in this case, case 1 plus case 2 plus case 3 will give you the complete answer. Must finish the question, everybody. Let's go to the next sum. Next, in how many ways the letters of the word Mississippi be arranged such that no 2 A's are together? In how many ways the letters of the word Mississippi be arranged such that no 2 A's are together? What to be done here, everybody? So first of all, no 2 A's are together, it means what? Obviously no 3 A's are together. So there are a lot of common mistake in this sum. Lot of students are doing the common mistake. What they are doing? All possible minus 4 A's are together. No, everybody. This is not the right way. The reason is that all possible minus 4 SR together. They have subtracted, but they have not subtracted 3 SR together. They have not subtracted, there are multiple cases. So 2 SR together. So we will not go to that line. Okay. So let's apply one particular way. The without S, let us rearrange the, let us arrange the, or let us write the letters in parallel, in a row. So without S, let us write the letters in a row. So M, I, P, I. So this can be arranged. Everybody, once again I am telling you, there are a lot of, this is a common mistake for the students, is that what they do, all possible minus 4 SR together. No, it is not the wrong method. The reason is that they have to separate it 4 SR together, but they have not separated 3 SR together, they have not separated 2 SR together. Okay, so this is not the right way. So what is the way? Way is that just without S, arrange the elements. It means arrange the letters. So this can be done by how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are total 7. So this can be done by 7 factorials, out of which 4 are I, 4 factorials, 2 are P. Now everyone, in between and outside, how many gaps are there? The gaps are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 gaps. Out of these 8 gaps, if we can place in any one of the 4 gaps, if we can place the 4S, they are not together. Once again, out of this 8 gap, if we can place 4S, they are not together. Therefore, this can be done by 8C4. The answer is coming to be 8C4, and the sum is over. Everyone must calculate. Next, the sum of all the numbers that can be formed with the digits 2, 3, 4, 5 taken all at a time. What to do for this? What we can do? First of all, let's do one thing. These are 4 letters, 4 digits are there. So there are 4 positions A, B, C, D. So first of all, we'll calculate one particular digit is coming to unit place for how many times? Suppose the digit 5. How many times it will appear in the unit place? In how many times, everybody? So this can appear in the unit place in 3 factorial wise. Because there are, except 5, I am giving one example. This is 5, except 5, there are 3 different things taking 3 at a time. 3p3, that is 3 factorial. So these are the 6 ways. There are 6 cases where the 5 will appear in the unit place. Similarly, there are 6 times that 2 will come in the unit place. There are 6 times 3 and 4 will also come in the unit place. Okay. Now what is the place value? What is the value of the number 5, suppose, in the unit place? So this can be done by, in this case, value of all the numbers, not 5, I am taking value of all the numbers, value of all the numbers in the unit place. So this can be done by 2 plus, when 2 is in the unit place, this is 2, 6 times 2, similarly 6 times 3, similarly 6 times 4, 6 times 5 into 6. This is the value of the number. This is coming to be what? 4 plus 5, 9 to 12, 6. So this is coming 84. So value of the number in the unit place is 84. Similarly, everybody, value of the number in the 10 place is 84. Value of the number in the 100 place is 84. So value of the number in the 1000 place is 84. But unit place value is just, final value is total one. In the 10 place, the value of the number is just, simple value of the number is 84, but 10 place it is multiplied by 10. For 100 place, the simple value is 84, it is multiplied by 100. Similarly, 1000 place, the simple value is 84, so multiplied by 1000. Therefore the total sum equal to what? 84 into 1 plus 10 plus 100 plus 1000. Everybody, you must calculate, and I am telling you the final answer, but you must calculate in your home. Whenever this type of calculation will be given, it becomes some hectic for the students, but you have to do very fast. You have to calculate very fast. Okay, one more sum. the number of different words ending and beginning with a consonant which can be made out of the letters of the word equation. So equation means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 letters. So it containing 5 vowels. Yes, equation is that word which containing all the vowels A, E, I, O, U. So the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and the consonants are what? Everybody? Consonants, and consonants are E, Q, N. Total number of letters are 8 in this word. Okay, so just remember one thing. This will be, what is the question? That beginning and ending with a consonant. So beginning and ending with a consonant means, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in the first place and last place will be the consonant. So there are 3 consonant, 2 place. So this can be done by 3p2. This can be done by 3p2. Okay, so that is 6 ways. 3p2 means 6 ways. Now remaining 5 vowels. Everybody, remaining 5 vowels and 1 consonant can be placed in these 6 positions. So this can be done by 6 factorials. So total is this can be done by 6 factorials. So total way equal to 6 into 6 factorial. Sum is over. Sum is over. So everyone, that's all. And must finish all the sums, must do the good result in WBJEE, because the most important attraction and the main attraction, not most important, the main and only main attraction of the WBJEE is the Jadavpur University, as well as Kalyani University and some Jalpaiguri, and 1, 2 government colleges are there. Our target will be always to get the chance in the government colleges, okay, and to make our good future. So study well, everybody. Bye, everyone.